Visual Paradigm Online's AI tool can help you to generate use case from simple description and then generate activity diagram from the use case scenario. After log into your workspace, press the Create with AI button at the top right. Search for use case related AI apps and press the Start Now button under Use Case to Activity Diagram app. Let's provide the basic information of the use case, such as the name of the system, the use case itself, related actors, and a brief summary of the use case. In this video, we use the wash clothes use case of a washing machine as example. Then press Next to proceed. We can then press the Generate Details with AI button to generate the details of the use case. Here are the generated details including preconditions, post-conditions, the main flow, alternative flows, as well as the exception cases. We can review the details and touch up if needed. Press Next, then the AI will help us to visualize the use case details into an activity diagram. We can press the full screen button to view the diagram in full size. Finally, press Next again, then the AI will help us to generate a detail report on this use case and activity diagram. Press the Save button at the top can save this work into our workspace and allow us to load it back in future for further touch-up or reference. You can also press the Save JSON button to download it in JSON format for your own use.